Today, I'm going to be talking about how to work a half double crochet increase. To work a half double crochet increase, which is written HDC Inc in all Crafty Intentions patterns, you will work 2 half double crochet stitches into the next available stitch. To do that, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. That creates a half double crochet stitch. To make it an increase, we're going to work a second half double crochet stitch into the same stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch you just worked into, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. That creates 2 half double crochet stitches in 1 stitch. It increases the number of stitches in the row, which is why it's known as an increase. So again, to work a half double crochet increase, I'm just going to work 3 half double crochets first, and then I'm going to work an increase by working 2 of those half double crochet stitches into 1 stitch again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. That makes a half double crochet increase. I hope that helps.